What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will quickly walk through the installation of a wired Ring doorbell. First, here are the components: the doorbell, the jumper wire, installation screws, security screws, and security screwdriver. First, ring the doorbell and find the doorbell chime unit. Next, turn off the breaker to the doorbell. If you don't know which one it is, shut off the main breaker. Then, remove the cover. This one just lifts up and off. Locate the terminals marked trans and front. They need to be jumpered together. Use a screwdriver to loosen the terminal screw. Insert the jumper terminal and retighten the screw to secure it. And repeat for the other terminal with the other end of the jumper wire. And be sure the doorbell wire stays in the terminal. With the jumper complete, reinstall the cover. Next, remove the doorbell button from the exterior wall. And disconnect the doorbell wires from the button terminals. Now it's time for the doorbell. First, the faceplate needs to be removed. The instructions say to gently pull the faceplate off the unit by pulling it from the lower edge of the plate. I personally struggled with it. I pulled from the lower edge and it did not come off easily. If you struggle, you're not alone. Next, connect the two doorbell wires to the terminals on the back of the doorbell. Loosen the terminal screw. Insert the bare wire under it and retighten the terminal screw to secure it. It doesn't matter which wire goes on each side. Either wire can go on either side. Next, tuck the wires back into the wall and position the doorbell on the wall. Make sure to leave a little bit of room around the perimeter because the faceplate still needs to fit over it. Attach the doorbell to the wall with the two installation screws. If you're going into wood or siding, you can drive them right in. If you're installing in stucco, brick, or concrete, use the included anchors. Mark the hole locations on the wall. Then use a 1/4-inch masonry drill bit to pre-drill holes. Then use the included anchors and drive the installation screws into the anchors. Then turn the power back on and program the doorbell before installing the faceplate. There's a QR code and a 5-digit code on the side that you will need access to. I'm not covering programming, just installation. After it's programmed, reinstall the faceplate, hooking it at the top and hinging it closed by pushing it in at the bottom. A screw goes on the bottom to secure the faceplate. Get one of the security screws. There are 2 in the bag, but you only need one. One is an extra. And use the Ring security screwdriver to install the security screw. Now, no one can easily remove the faceplate and uninstall your Ring doorbell. And yes, I did fill the holes in my siding. So, that wraps this up. I hope you found it helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.